Hi, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bjorn, and today I'm going to show you how to make doner kebab meat. We're actually going to make this in the Instant Pot, but first we need to mix all the ingredients in our stand-up mixer. Start by adding 1 pound of minced lamb meat into your mixer bowl, then half a cup of finely chopped onions, 3 minced garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of doner kebab spice blend. The recipe for this is available on our channel. And lastly, add 1.5 teaspoons salt. Use the steel paddle and mix it on low speed. When all the ingredients are blended, turn off the mixer. Then collect all the meat into a ball. Then take about 1.5 feet of aluminum foil and place the meat in the middle of it. Form it into a log about 2 inches shorter than the Instant Pot diameter. Then roll up the aluminum foil around the meat. What is your favorite use of the doner kebab meat? Let us know in the comments below. You can add a second layer of aluminum foil just for security. Now carefully twist the ends like a candy wrapper around the meat. Make sure you twist the ends hard, but not hard enough to break the aluminum foil. Fold up the ends and use them as a handle later. Then add a silicone or metal trivet to your Instant Pot. Place the meat in the Instant Pot and add 2 cups of water. Secure the lid and close the vent. Pressure cook for 30 minutes and let naturally release when done. When the pressure is dropped and it's safe to do so, remove the lid. Remove the meat from the Instant Pot and unwrap the foil. Place the meat with the foil in an oven-safe baking dish. Broil for 3 minutes. Then turn over the meat and broil for 3 minutes more. Keep an eye on the meat to make sure you don't burn it. And there you have it, your very own homemade doner kebab meat. You can make many different doner kebab dishes with this meat, such as doner kebab plate, kebab roll, kebab quesadilla, kebab poutine, Iskender kebab pizza, or use it in your sandwich salad mix instead of tuna or egg. I'm Bjorn, and thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe.